I just started a new one. Check it. Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz. I would like to apologize for all the technical difficulty that we've been having this morning. Somehow, I'm going to blame my wife for it. No matter what is going on, you can always blame your wife. Somehow she did something. I don't know what she did, but I'm glad you guys can finally hear us. Okay, so I'm grateful for that. Okay, so I really don't know what to tell you guys except let's go ahead and continue to be great. Having some more technical difficulties here. Please continue to be patient. One thing you need to do is get off my line. Oh, what a morning we have had. I do see some further possible continuous down. Definitely want to apologize, you guys, for the mix up. Okay. I do want to go over an earlier trade that I took with you guys. I do again want to apologize for not having the volume correct and you guys not being able to hear me. Four, two should be red for today. share this trade with you all that I took. I took a trade right out of the gate. Trade that I took right out of the gate. I already had written down. I wanted to get in a 433 call. I didn't know where because I didn't know how the stock was going to respond. But my first target was 434.50. The second was 437. So as the stock came out of the gate very strong on the bullish, I saw that the uptrend was continuing, and I knew, not of for certainty, but I was willing to take the risk that we would hit that 434.50 target, in which we did. So what I did was, coming right out of the gate, I got in the call, 10 contracts, bam, went right up there, hit that quick. $150 was made in the first 3 minutes. But I do want to apologize for the volume and us having to restart this live. But that was the first trade that was made. My brothers on there, greetings, my brothers. Assalamu alaikum, my brother Jarrell, twin. Glad he's joined us today. Let's give it up for him. As we continue to get to this money. So we're very grateful for the money that we've already made, but we are patiently waiting for another opportunity to present itself. You guys know what we like to do on this channel. We like to wait for someone to get in trouble, and then when we see someone get in trouble, we let them have it without a shadow of a doubt. So until then, we're going to sit here and wait. We do recognize that here at this 433 level, this is where the stock will go from green to red on the day, which means that all of the early bulls who bought in this uptrend, like myself, who did not get out already, will definitely have to get out right now or either suffer the consequences. Also, this level will have to be defended by the bulls so that they don't drastically have a flush here. They were either going to be forced to buy or forced to sell. We don't know what is going to happen. We don't predict, we just react. But we do know that at this level, something is definitely going to happen, and we want to be a part of it. So I've already pulled out a 434. We got a 434 put, which is the gun that we're going to be using. The clip and the chamber we have is 10 contracts, and we're looking at a 20-cent profit target, which would be another quick $200. If the opportunity presents itself. If not, we will wait and let the market come to us. We definitely do not want to overtrade here. But if you look at the 30-minute candle for today, the market is definitely looking weak. She actually looks as if she's about to put in a shooting star on the 30-minute. And we would love to get trading beneath that shooting star. We would absolutely love that. With the 10 o'clock hour being upon us, we can potentially draw our first supply and demand lines. With the supply being an agreement in price between the bulls and the bears, the price should not be any higher than this amount. currently. Mm, that was almost a retest of supply, guys. Almost a retest of supply. Again, we will let the 5 minute chart direct us. Right now, there's only a dollar difference between the candle high and the low of today. So that's not really a lot of range as of yet. So we shall be patient. Now, we will take a call if it does break the supply and turn this supply into demand. But other than that, we will sit back, watch, and wait and be patient. We do have the 10 o'clock candle on us. The 10 o'clock candle. They're all very important. 10 o'clock candle. Mm, the all important 10 o'clock candle. Yes, absolutely. Good call, Doc. It was definitely a retest of supply. And here is the retest of supply. The only reason I didn't take the trade, Doc, is because the candle before that, we had this huge rejection and bounce right off of VWAP. So these lower prices were rejected by the bulls and they bought up these lower prices. So this was just momentum. So I would really need to see the stock come back down, close below VWAP, and then put pressure on the day, flipping the chart on the daily from green to red. That would indicate that these bulls are in trouble. Until I see that, we do not want to get into a put. We don't. This is just liquidity building, and we don't want to be that liquidity because the stock is still above VWAP. It's way too choppy. We want to wait for this low of day retest. There's no need to rush it. Just sit back. Let's relax. Let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. The easy money is on the way. I promise you. It's on the way. Since we got a special guest in the building, it's only right Paying homage. This is the action we want to see right here. This is the action. See that? You gotta be patient, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pizza Hands is in the building. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. He'll be nothing like me. That's right. They plugged, isn't it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, y'all can't hear it? Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. I'm playing that Pizza Hands. Y'all can't hear it? Oh, my goodness. What do I need to do? What do I need to do? Oh, my goodness. Look, I'm playing the Pizza Hands right now. Oh, man. Oh, I got to figure out what to do. Hold on, y'all. I got to figure out what to do. How do I do this? Cast to device. What am I doing wrong? Mm, mm, mm. No one, I'm over here jamming. No, y'all can't even hear me. Wow. apologize for that piece of hands. That's that call we was looking for, guys. Let's go ahead and get into that. I just jumped into that. Just jumped into that. Just got into that. Let's go ahead and get those profits. Let's get those profits. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Some more money was made. Some more money was made. Okay, guys, we up to $270 today. $270 today already. Let's go. $270 today. Mm. That was a quick scout. We did the right thing on that. We got all that we could get from it. I tried to get it at 238, 240 level, but it wouldn't give it to me. But I was content with that. So some more quick profits were made. We're having a great day. It's not even 10:30 yet. We had almost $300 for the day. Sit back, relax, and wait for another trade setup. We called that out. We said we wanted to see if the stock broke over resistance, turning this into, okay, demand, and we would take the call right out of that. That's exactly what we did. Now we will sit back, relax, and wait. But I do have one question, though. And that question is, did anybody make some money with me? All right, I see that. Dr. J made some money with me as well. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get to this money. Man, I hope that garbage ass nigga Jay is watching. That's all I can hope for is that you watching. We do this every day. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. I hope the Wall Street Trap is watching. I hope a lot of you fake traders are watching. Falling upon your head top. Now we're going to sit back, relax, and allow the market to present itself. But one thing that we can do for sure, of a surety right now, is change this, because this is no longer an area of supply. This has been turned into an area of demand. We just getting ready for these 100 contracts that's coming. We just getting ready for these 100 contracts that's coming. Sick and tired of these imitators and these fakers out here taking advantage of the good people. We tired of it. You write shots is fired. We ain't taking it no more. No more. You want to learn how to trade, you come tune in with your boy. I'm going to show you how to trade. I'm going to give it up for free every day. My wins, my losses, the thought process, my entries, my exits, my stop losses, everything. And just to show you guys one more time that we are not just trading off the whim, but in fact, that call that we took, it was written. Get in, take a 433 call, which is what we've been doing. It's the second one we took. 434 profit, we got that. Went up a little bit more. I think it's going to go to 437. For real, for real. Might want to get back in. We're going to be patient, though. We're going to be patient. Plenty of money has already been made. We're not going to put any of that at risk right now. We're just going to be patient and let the market present itself. We want to look for continuation, which is what's happening now. If we get an opportunity to get in, we will. My goodness. I'm gone again. Nope. 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 No. 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 Nope. No. We'll be patient. We'll wait. We will be patient and wait. Aha. You see that? That's why we waited. That's why we waited. That's exactly why we waited. Why? Guys, we need a supply zone. We know it's going to be profits coming out of supply. That is of a surety. We just got to wait for that supply zone to be created. So right now we really need to adjust our puts if we're going to take some puts. But it is a green day for sure. So any puts would only be a scalp. And we really kind of want to look for an opportunity to buy. We're just going to wait and see what the market is going to give us. We will not be doing any more early trading. We're going to clearly wait for a setup, A+ setup. We have to protect funds. We have to protect the money that has been made. Let's go with a 436 put. Liking the 436 puts. Just getting ready. We don't want to be early, guys. We don't want to be early. We want to be sure. And for those of you who are just joining us and you ask, why is it that we only trade the SPY? Well, as we wait for our setup to develop, let me go ahead and give you a rundown of why we only trade the SPY. First, number one, what is the SPY? The SPY is a whole market ETF, and it's the oldest and most liquid ETF of them all. It also has the largest assets under management and the highest trading volume of all the ETFs. So, what does that mean to you? That means that liquidity is not a problem. Liquidity to get a feel at any amount that you and I want to trade at is not a problem. No problem getting in, no problem getting out. And the spreads are tight. Look right here. 138, 138. Look how tight those spreads are. So there's low chance of extreme slippage even if the stock goes against you. Now, all of your favorite market moving individual tickers, Apple, Tesla, Facebook, yada, 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 whatever you like, all the market moving ones, the tickers, they're all in the SPY. And think about this. What is the number one rule for trading in the market? What is the number one rule for trading in the market? Somebody put it in the chat. The number one rule for trading in the market. Some say risk management. No. Some say follow your rules. No. A+ setups? No. Discipline? No. All wrong. The number one rule is follow the big money. FBM. Follow big money. Now, Warren Buffett says the number one rule is don't lose money. Well, how do you do that? You do that by FBM, following the big money, the banks, the institutions, the one that create the algos, the one that have hundreds of millions and billions under management that they have to trade daily. They have to trade it. And they trade the SPY. Trading the SPY teaches you how to read the overall market better. Trading the SPY allows you to focus on just one stock and makes you a better trader. The experienced professional trader deals with a very small circle of universal stocks. And at the top of the food chain is the New York Stock Exchange professional. And he only trades one stock, the SPY. This is his world. He creates his own personal ATM. He's intimate with it, like you and I need to get intimate. Know this stock inside and out. You know how this thing moves. You see, the typical beginner, the typical novice is all over the place, following this stock and that stock, following the latest news, alert subscriptions, articles, magazines, CNBC, Googity Bob, etc. It's just, they're not familiar with nothing but inconsistency. Not here. We want to trade like a market maker. We in this for the millions. We got to think about where on the charts would the market makers take advantage of the novices, take advantages of the rookie trader, take advantages of their deadly emotions of fear and greed. Fear and greed. Fear and greed. Fear takes you out, but greed keeps you in. And this is where we want to join in and crush the novices and turn them from bulls and bears to sheeps and hogs. That requires patience. That requires a sniper mentality. That requires discipline. That requires risk management. That requires A plus setups. That requires patience and time. But it also requires, above all, following the big money. And the big money is cutting up right now. The big money is cutting up. The big money is cutting up. Woo! This big money is cutting up. It kind of makes me wish I would have left a runner. Goodness. I was in this thing, at 189. All the way to 309 right now. Oh, gone it. I'm going to get better, though. You see that? I was already in this thing. Unbelievable. 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 Should have left a runner. Still got room for that 437. I might as well just get one. At least one. Look at the pod. Strong she going. We're going to catch her when they take profits, guys. We're going to catch her when she takes profits. 1 minute left until the 10:30 hour. Could there be a possible reversal at 10:30? Could there be some profit taking at 10:30? We will see. We will see. We have absolutely no reason to risk anything else today. We've had two great trades. We will get better. We left a lot of money on the table, but we will get better. I promise you we're going to get better. I promise you we won't leave as much money on the table, guys. I promise you. I promise you we're going to start leaving runners. Mm, mm, mm. I said 230. I said 437. Nuts. Nuts. Look at that. 437 too. Oh, I should have left a runner. This is unbelievable. Just hate being on the sidelines on this call. I hate being on the sideline because I know some guys is making $gazillion right now. To the moon. She will take a breather. She will take some profits. And it will be a scalp. unbelievable. This is unbelievable. But it is believable. I already wrote it down. So I'm shifting to a 438 put. I do have a 438 put selected. What a great day. What a great day. That's what I like to see. 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 Yes, it is. It's turning into a green shooting star. But with a very strong up day like this is only maybe a 20-cent scalp move. It's not even a real sufficient shooting star, to be honest with you. And that's for real, for real. You see, now, a decision has to be made here. We just want to wait till we clearly see there's profit taking. Like this, like literally might just be a 1 minute trade, a 1 minute scalp. No need, no need to rush it. And check this out. Let's not think for 1 second that we're gonna outsmart the market makers. Let's not think that for 1 second. Please trust and believe. The shorts that are too early are going straight to the guillotine. So we have to be patient. Technically, my day is over. Uh, technically, my day is over. I've set out what I wanted to do. The only thing that I want to do better is leave runners because I had momentum going with me. I left an exceedingly amount, a very large, exceedingly amount of money on the table. Building liquidity right here at this 436 area. to get better. These are those early shorts. Hmm. I see it. Remember those early shorts that I was telling you about? I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Okay, that's what we was looking for. Not yet though. Not yet, guys. Not yet. I have to run, but I wanted to leave a like and comment. Algorithm Deja. Thank you, Deja. Awesome. Thank you for joining me. I hope you got some money with us today. If not, we definitely look forward to you getting some with us very, very soon. getting ready to actually take a play here right now, guys. Let's get ready. We're going to be a little bit more patient, just a little bit more. We don't want to be early yet, guys. We don't want to be early yet. Zone reversal confirmation. But we do have a supply zone that we can now identify of a surety. That's what I meant when I said we didn't want to be early. See that? It's exactly what I meant when I said we didn't want to be early. The early shorts are going to get smoked, and we don't want to be amongst them. We don't want to be amongst them. The early shorts are going to get toasted. We don't want to be amongst them. Dr. J said she is not hearing desktop audio. I did not know you guys couldn't hear the music. It's jamming in my ear. I'm thinking y'all are jamming with me. Thinking y'all jamming with me.
Pairing.
Interesting. Well, it's more important that you hear my voice, so I'm happy to hear that. Okay. It is definitely continuing up. So we just want to be patient, guys. We don't want to be early. Okay, now since I got it now, is it too loud? I'm on my Jay-Z blue. All right, all right. Okay, good, good. Okay, I know I just dropped it down. How about that? I'm on my Jay-Z blue app. Nigga do. All right, all right. Run around town serving. I'm on my Jay-Z blue app. Nigga do I run around town serving pals with my blue ties. And yes, I got plugs on the meds. My cousin was a blood, so I guess I got red ties. Man, I been ducking fed guys, but I'm steady chasing fed pies. Set niggas up and fed guys. Pussy niggas still mad with they red ass. Get money, stack your dough. Keep it real with wifey, her best friend like me. Leave and get another nigga, he'll be nothing like me. Peace and hands, they love this nigga. Took a trip to Cali and they plugged this nigga. Yes, sir. Came right back and they sacked me up. Police put me over, try to back me up. And I'm riding with the gap. Come on. Yeah, I keep it on my lap. Come on. Going down is going down. You can't stop the number. Cause I was born in December. 3 days before Christmas. Come on. So I don't get shit on my birthday. That's why I do shit in the worst way. I don't give a fuck. Cancer took my twin brother, had me down on my luck. My son drowned in the tub. And he died the same way, we had to pull a fucking plug. Rewind. That's my boy Peace and Hands, live and direct. Yes, sir. What else with a play getting ready to come up? With a play getting ready to come up. Get ready, y'all. We getting ready to make some more money. This is getting ready to come down. We about to go ahead and set the alarm on it. When you hear the alarm go off, it's time to get in. But I'm steady chasing fed pies. Set niggas up and fed guys. Yes, sir. Mad with they red ass. Get money, stack your dough. Come on. Smack your bitch, fuck your. Keep it real with wifey, her best friend like me. Leave and
get another nigga, he'll be nothing like me.
Come on.
Peace and hands, they love this nigga. Took a trip to Cali and they plugged this nigga. Came right back and they sacked me up. Police put me over, try to back me up.
Come on.
And I'm riding with the gap. Yeah, I keep it on my lap. Cause it's going down, it's going down. You can't stop the number. Shit, I was born in December, 3 days before Christmas. So I don't get shit on my birthday. That's why I do shit in the worst way. I don't give a fuck. Cancer took my twin brother, had me down on my luck. My son drowned in the tub. And he died the same way, we had to pull a fucking plug.
Yes, sir. All right. Shout out to my man Hands for joining us today. We appreciate it. Thank you. However, guys, as you can see, it turned on us. It did not give us what we were looking for, and that is okay. Especially with the 11 o'clock hour drawing upon us. We're going to take the money that we've made so far today and we're going to run. However, we will come back at 1 o'clock and look to see if some of these bulls decide to take profit. But for now, thank you for joining us on some real change stock options journey. Please feel free to check back with us later on today. And if not, tomorrow morning, same time, same channel, same stock. Thanks for coming out. God bless you. And good day.